Do you want to split the oversized Microsoft Outlook data file into smaller parts? We bring you the ultimate solution, SysInfo OST Splitter Tool. Our software divides the OST files into smaller parts according to date, size, year, folder, sender ID. There are options to split the items like emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, journals, etc. Now, let's check out the other features of the software. The software lets you divide the Exchange OST file into multiple smaller files and save it in PST format. You can split OST file size into multiple parts based on date, size, year, folder, sender email ID, category. There are no file size limitations while splitting OST files into small parts. You can also add a folder containing multiple OST files and break them into small PST. The software supports all the Outlook versions like 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, etc. Compatible with all the versions of Windows like 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, etc. The software supports all Exchange Server OST 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007, 2003, 2000, 5.5, 5.0. Let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. If you are using any Windows version like Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, then please run the software as run as administrator. Step-by-step procedure to split the OST file into smaller PST files. Download the software from the official website of SysInfoTools. Now, let's install the Run the software on your system. The software welcomes you with a simple and user-friendly interface. Click on the Add Files or Add Folder option to browse the OST file. Select the OST file from the system and click the Open button. Here, you can preview the added OST file and click the Next button. Choose the folders from the tree that you want to split. And opt for the split option according to your need. Here, we perform the working process by selecting the Split OST file by size option. Now, the software shows you the wizard containing multiple filters. Enter the resultant PST file size in MB or GB according to your requirement. You can also apply a password to the output split files. Moreover, to view the added password, check the Show Password option. Just ignore the duplicate emails from the selected folders if you want. Now, select the destination path for the output folder by clicking on the Choose button. You can also assign a path to the temp file by pressing the Choose button. Click on the Split button to begin the split process of selected large OST files into smaller parts. After the process gets completed, you will find the pop-up tab on the screen. Click OK.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.